I'm David Baker, inventor and manager of the multi-award winning King Sheet Piling KSP retaining wall system. This simple but radical Balfour Beatty patented innovation revolutionises 120 years of sheet piling practice. Most sheet pile walls require thicker steel sections just to be able to get them into the ground to the required depth without damaging them. So there's surplus structural capacity. KSP utilises this by using shorter and thinner steel sections that span horizontally between full-length sheet piles, which are exactly the same as in a conventional wall. Typically, KSP saves 35 to 40% of the steel, doubles productivity, halves the noise of hard percussive driving, and enhances safety and sustainability. KSP eliminates the need for time-consuming panel driving, as alignment control, which is normally problematical for the simpler pitch and drive method, becomes easy. Initially used on over 25 kilometers of KSP wall on the M25 initial widening section, it's since been used on multiple road and rail projects. It looks simple in hindsight, but it hadn't been thought of in 120 years, which is why it's patented.